Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make it. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper. Fold it into two equal halves and press well. Then from the other side, repeat the step and press it. Now fold from bottom towards the middle crease. Then from the other side, press it well. Now from the third side towards the middle crease, press it. And finally the fourth side, press it well. Now fold one of the corner towards the midpoint, forming a triangle from one side and then the other. Repeat this step from all four sides and press. Fold it like this and press it. Open it. Now again press it like this and this. Then from the third side again press it. Fold it inwards like this. Now form a leaf type structure from one side and then the other and repeat these steps from the other side and press them. Open the fold and press it. Again open the fold and press like this. Then from the other side repeat the steps. Open all the folds. Turn it. Now fold it like this from one side. Turn it like this. Repeat this step from the other four sides and press. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glass of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Like this. Fold it and press it according to the crease. And it's done. Now form the box shape from the lower edges like this and sharpen the lines made of crease like this. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.